Welcome back to another session of Anubhav Shah Photography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create ink smudge effect in Photoshop, and we'll quickly see how to convert this to this. We have already seen in previous series that how to use ink smudge effect. In this series, we will again learn about ink smudge effect but with a different technique. So let's jump into Photoshop and start the magic. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Shah Photography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the model image. So for this session, we are going to use this pretty model. So first of all, just double click on this background and convert it to the layer. Select Quick Selection tool and select the model. Click on Select and Mask, increase the radius and click on Smart Radius. And just click on New Layer with Layer Mask. That's okay. Just create another layer and fill it with the white. Make sure your background color is white, and I just pressed Command or Control backspace or delete. So my entire canvas is filled with the white. Drag this layer underneath. Click on this layer, create one curve adjustment layer and adjust little bit the color contrast of the image. And just deselect this white background. Select both the layers and press Command Alt Shift E to make a composite layer. Now we have one particular layer which is combined with the curve and this layer. Now just enable white background. Now just bring ink smudge effect texture on the canvas. So for this we are going to use this particular effect. Just drag it to adjust it to the canvas. Press enter. Disable this particular layer and click on the model layer. Press Command T and adjust the layer with the model image little bit as per your requirements. Enter. Enable ink smudge layer. Decrease the opacity so that what is happening in background will come to know, and just press Command T and transform it. Press enter. Now this is fine. Just make the opacity back to 100% and bring the second texture on the canvas. So this is the second texture. Just adjust it as per your requirement as well. Press enter, press Ctrl and just select both the layers, Command G to make a group and drag it underneath. Click on model layer and just disable the group. Click on model layer and do Command I to invert or Control I in Windows. Do Command or Control A, go to edit, copy merged. Once it is copied, just enable group. Click on group and then click on masking. Press Alt and go inside the masking by clicking here once. Command A and just do Ctrl V to paste. And just click on this group icon to come out from the layer mask. Disable this particular layer. Now, this is the effect we have started to see. Perfect. Now this is perfect. Just expand this particular group and you will see two particular textures. This one, Command T to transform the texture as per your requirement. Just select this layer 1, change this blending mode to multiply and select this texture 2 and convert it to multiply as well. Click on this masking, select the brush tool, make sure foreground color is selected as black and just remove this particular part a little bit. You can select the texture as per your requirement. Press enter once this is done. Select this particular layer and just do Command J to make a copy. Enable it and just do Command I. Click on masking and do Command I while clicking on the masking. Grab the brush tool, make sure foreground color is selected as white and just simply go to the brushes. Grab any brush from the ink brush stroke. If you do not have these brushes, please do not worry. Just comment to us. I'm going to share all the details to you right away. And please make sure foreground color is selected as white and with opacity 100%. Just start clicking like this. Decrease the opacity somewhere, 45. Once you have achieved it, just go to new adjustment layer for the levels and adjust the levels little bit to increase the contrast and highlights. And finally, just create one exposure layer and do the offset little bit. And now you're done. You have achieved wonderful results, and using this technique you can just convert any kind of image into ink smudge effect. We have already made another session for you, links in description. So enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so as we have seen that how wonderfully and effectively we can generate ink smudge effect in Photoshop. And by using this technique, you can really achieve wonderful results. And in case you find any difficulty using Photoshop or photography, you can go to our website www.anubhavshahphotography.com, or you can comment in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a fresh, dedicated episode for your learning pleasure. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Shah Photography, signing off.